subscribers, if people like my last video and my little movie clip. Really, it was just something different. I knew I was going to get a mod, and I wanted to introduce it a different way than most people do when they just, lay it out and talk about the process. But if you guys do like it, let me know. Smash the like button up to like 20 likes so you can let me know that you want more videos like that. That way I can make them, because it is a process. It takes me about like just an hour thinking about it and just a few hours of me doing it, because it is just me, myself, and then moving the camera at different angles. But as you can see, guys, we got the car back. Sent it to a mechanic because when I left the car and I was under it, I was looking under there like, bro, I'm not going to do this. I forgot that my exhaust is welded, so it was in the way of my bell housing. There was just so many tools that I didn't have, and especially during quarantine, I couldn't get to them. Shout out to some friends though that did have some tools that could have helped me, but overall, man, I had to make the decision that I couldn't do it myself, and I had to drop it off to a mechanic. But luckily, I did, because I didn't know how to work on a shift kit, and let alone, dropping the transmission, and just me, myself, and I'm a pretty skinny dude, so if I got squashed, man, that was the end of the Danny 2B channel. But luckily it didn't happen. We got the car back, and I'm going to show you some videos of the past week, because I've been having it for some days now. I just haven't posted a video, but I'm going to show you some videos of the past week, me driving the car, doing like pulls and stuff like that, so you can see like the miles, RPMs, and how different it is. I have gears, I have stall now, and for you people who have stock gears or just have gears, you'll be able to see what the stall does. Your car does sound a little bit different. And I'm also going to be talking about, the cons of it as well. But let's get to it, guys, and hope you like the video. Alright, guys, so hopefully, this is me with the stall, by the way. Hopefully, I get some good video here. I won't not be doing a dig just because there is a lot of people outside, and I don't want to have all the attention on me, and especially my car. And hold up, let me just got one person right here. Let's see. That dude was definitely staring into my soul. But I'm definitely gonna give it a little pull so you guys can see how it looks like. Sorry the video's a little choppy. I wish I had like a GoPro, but I don't. So let's get to it. Right now I'm at 30 miles per hour, and my stall is at 2,000. So let's give it a little gas. I have a shift kit in the stall, so let's go. Oh, that was fun. That was definitely some crazy right there. So I'm gonna show you how high the stall goes. Back then I could literally do 1200. Now we can kick that up way higher. Rear is kicking up. I'm at 2000. And now the wheels are spinning. That's how I can go. God damn, that shit's a monster. That boy got me over here. Oh, that boy over here got me flipping my directionals like I'm finna turn somewhere. God dang, I don't know what to think. I don't know what to say. Like to y'all seeing it right now, y'all like, I mean, dude, you just gassed it. Nah, man, like I barely gassed that thing a little bit. Like, I didn't go all the way, but god damn, that thing really took off. My bad, I ain't even showing you, man. Woo! Yeah, boy, sweating up in this bad boy. Main thing that I want to talk about and get straight to the point is that plenum. So that plenum gets a little bit hot, more than comfortably, and the reason why is you got to understand with the new stall, it's smaller, it's conducting more heat, so obviously you're going to see some things heat up a little bit more than usual, but it's nothing too crazy. I always check my temperature gauge and it's under control. I like checking my coolant as well, the oil regularly, because with the stall you got to check things, make sure they're running efficiently. Now the only thing I will point out is this battery here does get a little hot, but as you can tell, that thing looks like it's been through the Great Depression, World War II, and the Vietnam War, so we're gonna have to set you aside, my boy. We might have to change you. But with things happening like this, heating up, I may have to look into radiators, and I'll definitely look about that in the summer, or maybe after the summer, and see about that. But overall, I mean, the car's running awesome, picks up speed as you can tell, and hopefully you guys like the video. I mean, if you guys want to see more about this, please like and subscribe. It really shows that you guys are interested in what I'm posting, and see if you want to see more of those things and those clips. So please guys, let me know follow my Instagram at Danny the 2V and to see more updates about the car. Overall, guys, I am happy. The car is happy. It looks badass. And yeah, guys, I mean, I'm going to be posting way more, especially with school's over, man. I got done with my semester, got a 4.0 GPA, so your boy, woo! Your boy done. He's smart. He out here, man, working, grinding. But if you guys want to know about more of the converters, check out Roadrunner Converters. That's where I got it from. They're really cool people. Call them on the phone. Check their website. That's where I got the stock from. And if you have any more questions, check down in the description. In the description, I always talk about a lot of things, guys. So always check that before you commenting, because I may have answered your question already. But if I didn't, please comment down below. Again, thanks for liking, subscribing, and please show more love. See you guys the next time.